Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are safe and sound and doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to recreate Deepika Padukone's makeup look, and I actually asked you guys on my Instagram which celebrity makeup look should I recreate, and so many of you guys said Deepika Padukone. So I stumbled upon this picture of Deepika Padukone's makeup, which was actually shared by a lot of you guys, and you guys wanted me to specifically recreate this makeup look of hers. This was the look which she wore in Cannes 2018, and trust me guys, this was literally one of my favorite Deepika Padukone makeup looks ever, and I really like how the base is looking so fresh and it's all very peachy and very neutral, and all the colors are looking so beautiful on her skin, and I really wanted to recreate this red carpet ready makeup tutorial. So if you guys are excited, want to know how I got this Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look, then let's get started. To start my makeup, I am going to be using a primer first, and this is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I am just going to take a little bit of it, about this much, and I am going to spread it all over my face. So now I am going to let the primer stay on my skin for some time, and meanwhile let's move on to the eyebrows. To set my eyebrows in place, I will be using the Faces Ultime Pro Brow Defining Pencil. She does not have a lot of growth around the starting of her eyebrows, neither around the tail area. So I am going to be using a concealer to sort of make my eyebrows as similar to Deepika's. So for that, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just cleaning up around my eyebrows. And the brush I am using is the Pro Arte PF01. I have cleaned up this one, and I hope you guys can see the difference in how both the eyebrows are looking. This one is looking a lot more thicker and this one is looking slightly thinner. We are done with the eyebrows. Let's quickly move on to our base, and for today's foundation I will be using the Aso Face Foundation Stick by Sugar Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade 32. And to blend this off, I will be using the PAC 231 buffing brush. Really like the coverage this foundation gives. Now let's move on to our next step, but before moving further, I noticed one thing in Deepika's base makeup, that it always looks very natural, and it never looks as if she is wearing a base. It always looks very skin-like and very fresh. So in today's video, we are definitely going to make sure that our base does not look very heavy and unnatural. Since I am going to recreate Deepika's red carpet makeup look, I am going to make sure that neither my base looks very unnatural and at the same time it looks prepared for a red carpet event. So let's move forward to our next step, and I am going to be applying the concealer on all the required areas. I'm going to make sure everything looks very natural, so I will be using a Damn Beauty blender to blend everything on my face, and yeah, this would give a very natural skin-like finish to my makeup. For my next step, I am going to be using a compact powder, and this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Sandstorm. This technique makes sure that my base makeup stays on my skin for longer hours, and at the same time it doesn't even give an impression that you are wearing powder all over your face. Now since my skin is oily, I need to make sure that I wear powder all over my face, but if you have dry skin, you can only use powder underneath your eyes or wherever your makeup starts to crease. So in this picture, she's wearing like a very peachy sort of eye makeup with a hint of brown in it, and she's also wearing a very slight hint of shimmer golden eyeshadow, and she's wearing similar colors on her lower lash line and just a pinch of, I would say, brown kajal on the upper lash line. So we are going to recreate this eye makeup look, and for that I am going to be using the NYX Perfect Filter palette. This one is in the shade Rustic Antique, and I will be using a combination of, I think, these two colors right here. And with whatever is left on the brush, I am swiping the same color on my entire lid area. I'm also taking this color towards my inner corners because, as I can see in the picture, she has used the eyeshadow on her inner corners as well. Next, I am going to be using the same color combination for my lower lash line, and the brush that I'm using is by Bombay Vanity. This is their small smudge brush. I won't be connecting my lower eyeshadows with the upper ones because I can clearly see a gap in between both eyeshadows. For my next step, I am going to be using a very slight hint of brown eyeshadow over here, like right at my outer half of the crease. I'm going to be using another Perfect Filter palette by NYX, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. And from this palette, I am going to be using this brown shade. And then I'm using the previous eyeshadow combination to intensify this color a bit more. For the shimmer shadows, I am going to be mixing two eyeshadows once again, and this time around I will be mixing these two shades. This one is a bit more pinky tone, this one is a very soft golden color, and I think the combination of these two would sit just perfectly. And I'm just going to apply this right at the center. Next, I am going to take a flat shader brush to blend this color so that there are no harsh edges. My next step, I am going to use a mascara on my lashes, and today I will be using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Did my mascara, and I am going to be wearing false lashes. Now Deepika is wearing very natural looking lashes, and I have these lashes by MAC Cosmetics. They are in the number 54 and they look very natural on the eyes. So I'm going to quickly wear them and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I have popped on my lashes and now it's time to use a brown eyeliner. Deepika is also wearing a nice brown eyeliner on her upper eyelids and on her upper waterline as well, and very thin stroke of it on her lower waterline as well. So we are going to replicate that. The liner that I will be using is by Rimmel. This is their Scandalize Kohl Kajal. This is in the shade brown. I'm just going to stretch my eyelids a little bit and draw a very thin stroke of this liner as close to my lash line. As you guys can see from this picture, she is wearing a very peachy corally blush on her cheek. So today I am going to be using the Master Flush Creator Blush from Maybelline. This one is in the shade Afterglow. Deepika has a very sharp jawline, guys, and I am going to contour a little bit of my jawline, and for that I am going to be using Bahama Mama bronzer. And then whatever is left on the brush, I am just swiping some on my forehead. For highlighter, I am going to be using this shade right here. This one is the Savannah Shimmer Brick Radiant Palette. Usually I only apply highlighter right above my arch over this area and this area, but her forehead is shining super bright, like shining in a good way. So I am going to blend a lot of highlighter onto this particular area as well. Moving on to my lips, she's wearing a very caramelly peachy sort of color, and the closest lip shade I have to this color is Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick. This one is in the shade Brazen Caramel. And she's wearing a little bit of gloss on her lips, so for that I am going to be using the Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss. This is in the shade Penelope Peach Stop 01. Alright you guys, so this was my recreation of Deepika's makeup look and I'm really liking the way it has turned out. You guys tell me, let me know in the comment section how did you guys like this look, and yeah, if you happen to recreate it the way I did, then please don't forget to tag me in your pictures or in your videos. And if you happen to like this video, then please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be coming up with more amazing makeup tutorials and stuff like that. So that's all for now, and I will see you guys super soon. Mwah. Love you. Bye.